Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble. Let's go. We're back at it again. It's Smart Home Solutions, and we're gonna be doing a little YouTube video for you. It's our first time at this, where we're gonna show you the exact process, what we do, how it is that we get this smart system into each and every apartment, home, office, all around the place. Now, we're gonna start with this one because guess what, ladies and gentlemen, everything starts with the first time. So this is our first time, and we want to ensure that you enjoy it. Watch us do it.
Yeah, man.
We're going famous again, man. Can't be famous already.
What? YouTube is a guy. They don't know the crew there in there, man. Bro, show the people them now. Do a sign now.
Think it's a job? No, it's fun for us. Let's go. It's a very simple process. Starts with conceptualization, ends with action.
Yeah, mash up the grass, bro. Don't make it take off the grass first. Just take it, just like oh yeah, take it off. So I just put it back over.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter.
No, at least when I tell you put the grass
one side.
At this point, you realize it's all work and no games. There's no time to play, ladies and gentlemen. The job has begun. We have to drill. We need to get the wires in because the sun is gonna come down. We've got our supervisor just up on the balcony. He's gonna show us exactly where the camera placement should be. Right here should be another 2 cameras. Then he's gonna show us the cameras that should be over that side, and it's gonna be a whole thing. Watch his hand movements. Look at how he does it. He's talking to the team. The team is moving. Look at everything happening all at once. Look at the ladder going up. We're about to put up a camera. The wire has to be run. It's all in a day's work. That camera is being fixed. We have to make sure the zoom is how it is supposed to be. Look at that. Looking down the passage, we need to see the cars. The car park is very important because, ladies and gentlemen, that's what cameras are for. It's simple, smart, and secure. Guys, we're here again. It's Smart Home Solutions, but guess what? It's our first time on YouTube. We're gonna do this YouTube channel so everyone can follow us from here on to know what we do, how we get the places smart, because remember, what we're doing is making each home smart as we go. And that is what our mission is. Now, if you look at the tranquility while we work is simply amazing. It doesn't stop there. A 3-day job can turn into a 1-day job because together everyone achieves more. Look at the team. Look at them work. On our team, listening is key. We may need a power drill, we may need a flathead, we may need a Phillips screwdriver. Whatever we need, you need to be hearing. Your ears need to be alert because at Smart Home Solutions, when we're on the job, this is how we do it. Each spot we're installing a camera, we have to place a box. Why is that? We may need balons, we may need power ends, we may need different things to go in that box. And we want all of them to be away from the rain, be away from the weather conditions. So we use the weatherproof boxes.
Yeah, see that? Up some more, up one more. Yeah. Go a little bit. Down, next it.
Yeah. Come down.
Come down a little bit. Just stoop down. Yeah, man, yeah, general. Show your head now. Do something. You the time now, you the time now.
Yo, me have alcohol. Yo, me have alcohol. Yo, me have alcohol. Bro, how the one am I going, sir?
Alright, that one.
see that?
Alright,
Up some more. Up one more. Yeah.
Third. That's
Go on a
third.
little bit.
Third.
No, man, next
I know you.
Come down a little bit.
Yeah,
That's
come on.
two down.
Let's go by us.
Yeah, man, they are generous. Show your head now. Do something.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your first video with Smart Home Solutions. Simple, smart, and secure. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget,